I'm glad we stopped here. We just saw a Delta plane.
Oh my God!
And now a private jet going across the runway. I'm so excited that my heart feels like I'm scared right now. Oh my gosh! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my goodness!
Where is it gonna go?
Yeah, my heart's going.
Where? How far is it gonna go?
My heart's
Huh? Okay. What if it's gonna turn? It's gonna turn, Noah?
It's taxiing to the runway.
Oh my God. Oh no. Oh yeah.
Looks like that might be a taxiway. That makes people deaf. Let's get on top of the hill. So, where's the hill? Upper.
Wait.
That looks like it is going to take
Ooh, nice. Oliver's getting ready to plane. Oliver, you want to be a pilot? That's